Alright, as you can see, I'm not even pressing anything and it's registering that the left stick is not centered. I can move it around. It doesn't even register a full right. If I try to calibrate it, it's wanting me to release it even though I'm not pushing anything. Very little movement. So I do that, it wants me to move it to the right, but it doesn't even register far enough to show that I'm pushing it to the right. And then if I try to just do anything here, as soon as I activate that joystick, it just goes to the right. Or sorry, to the left.